two-stroke's supposed to sound. Pin. If you're new to the channel, looky there. I'm in gear. Not holding the clutch. Pretty cool. I have a recluse clutch in this baby. I didn't put it in it, came with it, and I really got a good deal on this bike for what I paid for it. Woo! got shot at. I just heard gunshots. I just got shot at. We shoot back.
We'll always shoot back.
This is the end of the video, guys. If you made it, if you're watching right now, you're the true one. Let me know down below, guys, if you're watching it right now, because I know that you're the real subscriber and you watch till the end, and so I know who's who and who actually enjoys my videos. There goes Old Gear so late. Why are you leaving, Old Gear? Not a good note. But yeah, guys, if you enjoyed, be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Also, guys, YouTube's been not too good the last couple months. They haven't really been doing favors for the old YouTubers. They've been ripping them off, honestly. So make sure you hit that notification bell so you get updated, because recently you haven't really been getting updates if you're not have those notifications turned on. So make sure you go turn on the notifications. I dropped merch, guys, not too long ago, probably like a week or two ago, maybe a little bit longer than that, not really sure. But I dropped some High Gear merch. I just got one t-shirt available as of right now. More to come in the future. People's been asking me about hoodies and stuff like that, because they say, I don't really want to ride in a t-shirt. If you had a hoodie, I would buy the hoodie. So when I go riding, throw it on a hoodie, and you know, arms and everything will be protected. So yeah, if you want merch, guys, first link down in the description, you'll see it. It says High Gear Makes t-shirts. Make sure you go click it. At least if you don't have the money to buy a t-shirt, all you got to do is check it out, click it, check out the shirt, tell me what you think about the shirt. At least tell me what you think about the design and what you think. Tell me if you'd wear the shirt if you don't have the money to buy one. But if you do want to buy a shirt, guys, make sure you click that link. Purchase it now. It's free shipping internationally, worldwide. So yeah, guys, check it out. Cheap shirts, good quality, best merch in the game. I'm a YouTuber now. I get to say that. So yeah, guys, off of that, I'll catch you in the next video. First link down below. Click it.